Hello and welcome to this video. I will share with you how to log in Royal Bank of Canada step-by-step guide. So go to Google, search for Royal Bank of Canada. This is the keyword as you can see here. Right on this keyword, click this website. First website, you will see this page. From here, click on sign in. As you can see here, when you click on sign in, you will redirect it to this sign in page. From here, write your user ID and then click next. After that, write your password. So friends, it is easy steps. If you forget your password, just click erase your password, click your client and then click continue. After that, write your last name and birthday. This is for identity verified, and then you will erase your password, and then you can create your password successfully without any problem. You can use this app, download your app on Google Play or App Store. Download this app. After download this app, you can successfully sign in. I hope this guide helpful for you. See you.